Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review half-inch drive medium-size length ratchet from Gedore.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Gedore produces good quality tools and they are famous for their robust forging process. Look at the finish, it's matte chrome rough finish. Part number of this ratchet is 1993-10L. I like how Gedore and the part number is stamped in a prominent style. Looks like old style rough forging like back in the days. The shaft is flat and thin unlike other brands with a rounded style shaft. In this side of the ratchet, Gedore logo and made in Germany stamped. Beautifully stamping style. Ratchet head is significantly bulkier, I would say. Typical Gedore style handle. Blue is the harder material and the black part is softer. Handle has hanger hole for the hanging the ratchet onto the hook. Somehow this style of the handle from Gedore fits good in my hands, really good, and it is very comfortable. I like the grip of snap-on and the Gedore equally. Quick release push button is very smooth and light. The anvil edges are 45-degree angled. Socket will be seated quite easily. Direction lever is made of solid metal and it's smooth. This ratchet is not only reversible ratchet but also it can be used as a breaker bar. Guys, it's 72 teeth design but it is smoothest teeth mechanism I have ever seen. It is so buttery and silky. Here you can see the direction lever is on the 90-degree angle. Now this ratchet acts like a breaker bar. It is a cool feature, I would say. Sometimes you need the breaker bar style mechanism on rusty bolt where you're gonna need to turn the bolt back and forth in order to break the rust bond. You don't need to change the direction lever back and forth. This ratchet seems feel robust, at the same time it does not feel overly heavy considering its size. The length of the ratchet is 350 mm or 3.8 inches long. Let's try some socket. I'm using USA made Bahago socket. Socket seated well and firm. Quick release function works nicely. Pretty normal wobble. I tell you guys, again, the teeth are very smooth. As I mentioned, the head is wide. It's around 40 mm wide. Not good for the tight spaces. Let's take Stahlwille standard length ratchet and see how it looks in comparison. Stahlwille teeth counts are 80 and it's smooth. Gedore has 72 teeth counts and listen to that. It's smoother and quieter than the Stahlwille. Amazing. Gedore ratchet head is clearly thicker and wider. Now let's compare it with the Hazet. Although the Hazet ratchet is a bit heavier than the Stahlwille, but Gedore ratchet is again bigger and bulkier than the Hazet ratchet. The shape of the Gedore ratchet head is also rounder than the rest. Stahlwille and Hazet are kind of pear-shaped. Just to show you guys how they differ in dimension. This is half-inch flex head ratchet from Stahlwille. I got here snap-on standard length ratchet if you guys wanna see how they look in comparison. Again, Gedore ratchet is bulkier than the snap-on ratchet as well. Snap-on ratchet teeth are quieter than the Gedore one, but Gedore teeth are still smoother than the snap-on one. I'm gonna take out medium size length snap-on fixed head ratchet for the comparison too. Snap-on ratchet is heavier, obviously the length is also bigger, means more weight. But I tell you guys, Gedore ratchet might look heavier, but it is not. I think due to its flat thin shaft. And you can use that ratchet all day long and you will feel less hand fatigue when comparing to the other ratchets in the same dimensions. Other than that, it has breaker bar feature too. As far as quality is concerned, I don't doubt Gedore quality if it's made in Germany. What's your opinion on that ratchet? Would love to hear from you guys as well. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.